Hey everybody, Al Williamson here. I want to share with you a new project I'm working on. I'm really super excited about it. I call it the Abundance Project, and it's all about people working together to create a great looking building in our downtown Oak Park. So the goal is to remodel this structure, refinance it, and make it cash flow. It's at 3230 Broadway in Sacramento, California. Easy Corporate Housing, which I'm a partner in, as well as Ideation Properties, which I'm a co-owner with my wife, are the driving forces behind the remodel of this structure. And we currently operate 15 short-term rentals all throughout Sacramento. These are actually extended stay rentals where people stay for 1 month or longer. So business travelers staying for extended period of times in Sacramento is our focus. And here's the location of this building that we are 50% owners in. It is right in the middle of this downtown strip in Oak Park on Broadway. There it is right there. And it's an area that has been of great interest to me for many years. I used to work right here helping St. Hope Academy with their projects back from 2005 for 3 years all the way to 2008. So I spent a lot of time in the neighborhood helping it get back on its feet. In 2002, I bought this 8-unit apartment building right here, and I operate 4 short-term rentals or extended stay rentals right from there. And Easy Corporate Housing operates 2 extended stay rentals right there. So we are very familiar with this area, and we have lots of business contacts, and acquiring this building and operating right there, right on the business corridor, would be a great thing. Takes our business to a next level. This is what the building looks like. It's currently way underutilized and needs a good sprucing up, and that's what we're going to do. This is elevation of what it's going to look like. It's going to look great, and it's going to be a blessing to the neighborhood. That's our goal. There I am. I'm standing at the entrance to the downstairs section of the building, which is going to be all commercial. We don't exactly know who the tenant's going to be yet. And this arrow points to where the entrance is for the upstairs units, where the 4 apartments will be. This is a floor plan, the new revised floor plan. This is where I was standing. And let me show you around. We go upstairs. That's where that arrow was. And there's the first unit, the first out of 4. We're going to have a kitchen right there and a bedroom right there. And there's those great windows along Broadway and along the edge of these buildings, and allows you to look out and be connected to the activities that are going on in this lively part of Sacramento. So we said, let's make sure we have all the living features close to that window. There's a kitchen right there, close to 32nd Street, and we pulled the bed further away so it's quiet. Same thing with the third unit. We made the kitchen and living areas up towards the windows, towards the street, and the bed further away, nice and quiet. There's going to be a laundry room right there in the common area, 2 stackable washer and dryers. And there's the 4th unit. Again, we want to connect people to the outside activities. And in fact, there's a little sliding glass door in each one of these units so people can step out onto a little balcony. So it's going to be great. There I am inside one of these units. They are all going to need a complete gutting. So we're going to take down the sheetrock and put it back and make the floor plans look a lot nicer and flow a lot nicer. And it's going to be a lot of work. It's pretty nasty in there right now. This is an example of one of the better kitchens, what it's called a kitchen. This is the before, and it's going to look like this. It's going to be all tied together. We have a designer who picked out all the colors and products. We have pricing on all those things. This is what the refrigerator and stove, microwave is going to look like in that corner. So that's what our kitchen is going to look like. Our bathrooms are going to look similar to this, with the toilet seat down. We're going to have probably just step-in showers and no tub. It's going to be nice, some designer features in it as well. So it's going to look great. It's going to look great. So what we are looking at is raising $33,500 from whoever's interested in participating in this project. And we expect a 3-month construction project, but I give it 6 because things always go wrong. We don't know what we're going to find when we open those walls, right? And my goal is to assemble personal loans of small sums, and that's strategic so we can move quickly. And also, I'm only 50% partner, so I don't want to encumber the entire other partnership. I just want to raise funds and then get this done and then give everyone their money back. So I am paying 10% interest only, 10% a year, interest only, meaning if you contribute $1,000, you get $100 of interest and your money back at the year. And I'm making monthly payments on the money. And the goal is that all this should definitely be done within 12 months. So we're going to borrow money, pay monthly interest payments on it, and give everyone their money back in 12 months. That is the plan. And if you want to be a part of this, then contact me, Al Williamson, at albertewilliamson@gmail.com, albertewilliamson@gmail.com, and we can discuss what level of involvement you want to play in making this the centerpiece of Oak Park. All right, thank you.